Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Ryan Makes Sense. This is our Robinhood Investing Challenge update for week 16. Now, if you've been following along, you do know that I have a position in Boyd Gaming, Organogenesis, Honda Motor Company, Addvantage Technologies, and I just purchased a position in Karat Shipping, Karat. I believe it's Karat Shipping. We're going to go ahead and take a deeper look and also look at what my Robinhood portfolio is at for the month versus the S&P 500. Again, if you are a newer investor and you just want to set it and forget it, which I recommend, but I'm not a financial advisor, I would put it into the S&P 500 because ever since its inception in 1926, it has gone up on average at least 7% a year. Looking back at the whole big picture, there's going to be some down years, but there's some good up years. So on average, around 7%. Right now, the S&P 500 is performing at, oops, for the year of 2023. Uh, the S&P is at a performance of 8.24%. That is really good. And let's take a peek at my Robinhood account. All right, let's take a peek at my Robinhood account for week 16. So for the day, we're up 2%, but year to date, we are up, drum roll please. Year to date. We are up 2.26%. The S&P 500 is beating us at 8 point whatever percent. Let's go down and look at my overall returns. So as we can see, I'm down $23 in AEY. So AEY did a recent small offering. Get this. So they canceled their offering in November because they had adequate cash. They just did an offering on April 7th. Not a huge offering. I believe it was around $600,000. And that was that. So that leads me to believe that they have a purchase coming up to hopefully better the company that they had not anticipated. So I look at that as positive news. I'm waiting for a new bottom to consolidate before I add more shares because I believe this company is still strong. The next company we're looking at is Boyd Gaming, ticker symbol BYD. This company is a juggernaut in terms of the gaming industry. The stock is getting towards all-time highs, and it's been trying to break above 70, 69, 71, $69 to $71 for the past year or so. And given that Las Vegas, Boyd Gaming, has had record monthly revenues or profits, I mean, not record or revenue, not revenue or profits, but Las Vegas earnings each month are historical in terms of gains from the casino, which only means good things for Boyd Gaming, in my opinion. Next up is Honda Motor Corp, ticker symbol HMC. This company, same thing. They've been trading in a box for about the past few years. They have not made it over $27, $28. So my average price is around, I think, 26-ish. I have it listed on my YouTube. And then the next one is ticker symbol ORGO, Organogenesis. This one I purchased at around $2.30. It went down to 180, 190. I'm just waiting for a consolidated bottom before I purchase more because this company is profitable and they're not doing so hot in terms of revenue or income, but it's not negative. I mean, it's not, they're still profitable. So I think they are being punished more than they should be. Waiting for a new bottom there. And the last one is ticker symbol KRT, which is what I just purchased. Let me show you why I purchased ticker symbol KRT. All right, so we are on my YouTube channel and we are in the community tab right here. And you can see I posted an after hours trade that I had made. We're going to go ahead and read more. So I had purchased 4 shares of ticker symbol KRT at $14 a share. You might be asking why so little. Well, this is a Robinhood investing challenge, so my goal is to use my $25 a week that I put in to grow my account. Given all my existing positions, these 14 shares came out to about 60% of the free cash that I did have. So, um, hopefully in a year or two, three, four, five, um, it's going to be a lot more shares and a lot more money free cash. So, just going down, looking at the fundamentals on why I like ticker symbol KRT, Karat packaging. So you guys can see my screen. Sales are at 423 million. They have income at 23.6 million. They are cash flow, they are positive, net income positive. They have 42 million in debt and they are slowly paying it off. Earnings per share over the past 5 years and sales over the past 5 years are 38.7 and 24.7 respectively. This goes to show that the company has a history of making it. They're doing well. I mean, 38% EPS growth over 5 years, 38%. And then sales over the past 5 years, 24, almost 25%. That shows me that this company has a history of banging. Going down a little bit more, insiders have purchased $1,150,000 worth of stock from November 14 to December 16. And all of their purchases come out to an average price of $13.85. I purchased these shares at $14, so I feel like I got a good deal there. Gross margins are at 31.2%, which is considered a high growth company in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial professional, so 31% to me could be 31% different to you. So shares float is 5.7 million. So this means the stock could really, really move if there was a shock in demand where everyone wanted to buy the stock. There's only 5 million shares to buy, so it could see a really quick move. Institutional ownership or transactions increased 12% during the last reporting period. And my note here is overall profitable company with extremely low volume, great pattern playing out on the month, which we'll look at. Have some patience with this one swinging along. So I said that it has extremely low volume, and I believe on Friday, April 21st, there was only 12,000 shares traded, which is not much. So that means it's thinly traded, where it could probably go up or down 5% on really small volume. So be aware of that. Another thing I said is that I have a great pattern playing out on the month. So let's take a look at the monthly chart here on Thinkorswim. You guys can kind of see my screen. Let me just move it a little bit for you. There it is. Okay. All right. So we are looking at a descending wedge. Yes. It could be a descending triangle. So what we see here is there's two things going on. This one that I'm highlighting, one moment. This blue that I'm highlighting, it's in a channel. So we have support right here. I'm circling support. We had resistance on this candle. Support was reconfirmed. Support was reconfirmed. Support, 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 reconfirmed. Now we have resistance. It's now hitting its head on the roof of this. We have support down here and it hit its head on resistance, hitting its head, hitting its head, hitting its head, hitting its head, hitting its head. And now, as you can see, we have this new blue line coming into the equation. The stock price has never closed up higher than this blue line. And as we can see, it's creating an apex, which is right here. So the stock has never gone above this blue line that I'm touching right now. And the stock has never fallen below this bottom support right here. So right here, we're coming to a pinch point. We're going to see a volatile move up or a volatile move down, in my opinion. We can see it's tried to break it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and it has not broken it yet. And we can see ever since it's touched it right here, we've had support It's never broken support once, twice, three times, four times, five times, six times. So we have we're coming to an apex where it's going to get really exciting. So there's a couple things that could happen. We could see a throwback, which is a common move for this type of pattern where the stock price will come down here and then typically make a rise upward, or we could just see a break upward from here. So if we do have a falling move down here in this range, I'm going to say we could see it go to $7 and then maybe move upward. I will add if it gets under $10 for the throwback potential. If it does break out of here, I'm not going to add any. I'm probably going to sell it at 17, but depending on the momentum, it could hit the outer Fibonacci arc here at maybe 21. So we will see. I do like this pattern on the monthly because the bigger the pattern, or the bigger the time frame, the more powerful the move. So this is gonna, in my opinion, jolt up or jolt down. It's just a matter of time. Again, you want to have patience here because we can't predict time. So anyway, we just went over my Robinhood portfolio. We looked at the fundamentals of ticker symbol KRT. We looked at the technical analysis of KRT and what I am expecting. So yeah, that wraps up this video. I hope you guys are doing well. If you made it this far, please consider hitting that like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.